Hello students, welcome back to business statistics class. So we are dealing with normal distribution problems. So we will see today one of the important problem on this topic, and it will be asked in section C for say about 10 marks. So one question will be state the properties of normal curve, and one will be a practical problem like this. So listen to this class carefully. The question is, mean life of electric bulbs manufactured by a firm is 1200 hours. The standard deviation is 200 hours. So the first sub question in this is, in a lot of 10,000 bulbs, how many bulbs are expected to have life 1050 hours more? And the second sub question is, what is the percentage of bulbs which are expected to fuse before 1500 hours of service? So in this question, they have given the mean life, that is nothing but your average or the parameter mu. It is 1200 hours. So this is mean life of electric bulbs, and the standard deviation is 200 hours. So we got normal distribution with parameter mu and sigma. So the question they are interested to find out is, how many bulbs are expected to have life of 1050 hours or more? In how many bulbs? In a lot of 10,000 bulbs, you want to find out how many number of bulbs will expect to have a lifespan of 10,050 hours or more. And the next sub question they ask is, what percentage of bulbs which are expected to fuse before 1500 hours of service? So we'll see how to solve this. So x denotes the life of the bulbs, then x is a normal variate with parameters mu and sigma, where mu is 1200 hours and sigma is 200 hours. Then z is nothing but a standard normal variate. To get z, what we will do, we'll subtract with the mean and divide with the standard deviation, and this z is nothing but standard normal variate with mean 0 and standard deviation 1. So first thing is, we will find probability of life of a bulb, which is sorry, (1050 hours or more). So for that, what we will do, we will find probability of x greater than or equal to 1050. So here you can see we are taking this as greater than or equal to, either it is 1050 hours or more than that. So probability of x minus 1200 by 200 is greater than or equal to 1050 minus 1200 by 200. So we will get z is greater than or equal to minus 0.75. So this is your z, and when you simplify this, we will get minus 0.75. So now we have to find out. So once you get this, we will draw a curve. We want z such that it is greater than or equal to 0.75. So it is area from 0.75 till infinity. So this whole area which is marked is area from minus 0.75 to infinity. So what we will do, we know area from 0 to infinity is 0.5, and then we will find area from 0 to 0.75, because we know minus 0.75 is nothing but 0.75 under the normal curve. So this area is nothing but 0 to 0.75. So go to the table. So it is 0.7 over here, sorry. So 0.7 under 5, it is 0.2734. So 0.2734, when you add, we will get 0.7734. So we got probability of x greater than or equal to 1050. Now we are interested in knowing, out of 10,000 bulbs, how many bulbs have life 10,050 hours or more. For that, what we will do, we will use this, that is n into probability of x greater than or equal to 10,050. We got this probability, we have this n, we have to just multiply. So it is 10,000 into 0.7734, which is 7,734 bulbs. So out of 10,000 bulbs, there are 7,734 bulbs which are expected with the life 10,050 hours or more. So we are done with the first sub question. The next sub question is to find out how many percent of bulbs have life less than 1,500. So first we will find probability of that. So they have asked less than, so here the symbol must also be same as that, less than. So x is less than 1,500. So for x, subtract by mean and divide by standard deviation. So less than, again 1,500 minus 1,200 by 200. So we will get probability of z less than 1.5. So less than 1.5 means area from 1.5 to minus infinity. So here till here, so we have to find out this whole area. So we know area from 0 to minus infinity is 0.5. Then we will find area from 0 to 1.5. So under the table you have to check area for 1.5. So over here it is 0.433 to 1.5 and a 0, which is 0.4332. Yeah, they have written that. So add 0.5 plus 0.4332, you got 0.9332. So the percentage of bulbs with life less than 1,500 hours is 100 into probability of x less than 1,500. Here we are interested to find out percentage. So percentage is nothing but 100, right? So we are doing 100 into 0.9332. So there is 93.32% of bulbs with less than 1,500 hours. So in your examination you might find problems related to this with questions like mean height of a students, say mean height of 100 students in the classes, the value they will give for mu as well as standard deviation, and they will ask to find out how many students have weight less than say 40 kgs, or how many students have weight greater than 60 kgs, so on. Here you are interested to find out how many students or what is the strength of certain quantity has a chance of having probability which is less than or greater than. So such questions will be asked in your examinations.